guys!
It's Carl and I'm with
Teen and we are from BSIE 2A.
This is a tutorial made just for you.
So our topic for today is all about evaluating the determinants. So first one, we have here the pivotal element method, and for the second one, we have here the CHIO'S method.
Here are the objectives. First, we have, after watching the video, you should be able to solve a 3x3 and 4x4 matrix on your own. The second one is discover the various techniques through the use of Pivotal and Chio's methods. And lastly, we have improve your analytical skills in finding the determinants.
So the purpose of this tutorial video is to help the students who are having a hard time solving matrices. Second, to provide steps and guidelines on how to solve matrices. And lastly, to assist students who are having difficulties solving matrices, especially by Pivotal and CHIO'S method. Pivotal element method. The pivotal element method is one of the useful methods in evaluating a determinant. In getting the determinant of a matrix of order n, the pivotal element method centers its solution on finding a pivot element which is 1. Pivotal element method, example number 1 using 3x3 matrix.
Find the determinant of matrix A. So, you need to evaluate the matrix A. Meron tayo ditong 3x3 matrix. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns in 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So, for the first step, we need to choose one element that we can consider as our pivotal element. So, pivotal element means 1 or unity. Hindi siya negative 1, but positive 1. So, in this example, we have an element which is 1. So, ito na yung magiging pivotal element natin. So, pag sinabi natin pivot, ito yung axis of rotation, dito umiikot yung solution natin. So, upon marking our pivotal element, so we can use a highlighter para ma-mark natin yung ating pivotal element kung saan ba siya located. So, this is our pivotal element 1. So, this is our pivotal element 1. So, upon marking our pivotal element, we have to cross out where it is located. So, ito yung row. Kung saan located yung pivotal element natin, and ito naman yung column. Ayan. Pag nag-solve tayo, gagamitin pa rin natin yung column and row na omitted sa ating solution. Bali, binigyan lang natin ng palatandaan kung saan ba located ang ating pivotal element. So, instead of completely deleting them again, we can use other colors of highlighter, tulad nga ng ginawa natin. We are going to omit the second column and the second row. The solution would be negative 1. So, reach siya dun sa sum ng position ng ating pivotal element. So, yung ating pivotal element ay located sa second row, ito, plus second column. So, again, the solution would be negative 1 raised to the sum of the position of the pivotal element. So, makita natin dito 2, meaning second column, plus 2, meaning nasa second row siya. Then, for the solution, we could come up from 3x3 matrix to 2x2 matrix. Equals, lagyan natin yung natira, which is yung 6, 4, and mag-provide tayo ng space dahil dito natin ilalagay yung ibang part ng solution. 6, 4, 5, and negative 4. So, as you can see here, from 3x3 matrix, naging 2x2 na lang siya. So, after that, we're going to subtract from each remaining entity. So, magsasubtract tayo. Minus minus, 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 minus. So, need natin ng space. So, ito, i-disregard na lang natin itong part na to. Okay? After that, we're going to subtract from each remaining entity. So, ito nga, minus, 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 minus. So, i-disregard muna natin yung line na to. Okay? Dahil kailangan natin ng space for the computation on this side. Magbabawas tayo dito ng product. So, anong product yung tinutukoy ko? Yung pivotal rows and column na magmi-meet sa ating mga remaining elements. Ayan yun. Kung ano yung mag-i-intersect or yung malapit sa kanila. So, let's do this first element. 6 minus, syempre, start tayo dito sa column. 6 minus 3 times negative 2. Okay. So, dito naman tayo sa second. 4 minus, column na malapit sa kanya is negative 1. Minus negative 1 times row. Negative 2. So, makikita natin dito na parang may pattern. So, may pattern nga talaga. Negative 2 and negative 2 yung kanilang row. So, for this part naman, 5 minus kung ano yung malapit na column. Ayan, 3. 5 minus, dito na natin lagay, 3 times 2 para sa row naman. And for our last, negative 4 minus negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 again. So, kung napapansin nyo dyan, may pattern. So, dapat itong line na to is dito pa lang. So, ilagay natin siya ulit. Again, disregard natin yung line na nandito. Okay? So, as we can see here now na merong pattern. So, dito, makikita nyo, napapansin nyo, same yung rows. Same yung row nila, which is ito. And dito rin, same yung row. Ayan. Positive 2 and negative 2. Tapos dito naman sa ating row, sa unang row natin, makikita natin na same sila ng 3. Same sila na 3 yung kanilang column. Ayan, column. Then sa second row naman, same yung negative 1, which is yung column din. Ayan. Ngayon, pwede na natin i-simplify. Negative 1 raised to 2 plus 2 or negative 1 raised to 4 is equals to positive 1. So, equals 1. Ngayon, pwede na natin i-simplify. So, nakikita natin dito na negative 1 raised to 2 plus 2 or negative 1 raised to 4 equals to positive 1. So, next naman is ito. So, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So, 6 minus negative 6 is equals to 12. Then, for the next one naman, 3 times 2 is equals to 6 minus 5. So, 5 minus 6 is equals to negative 1. So, for the second row naman, we have here negative 1 times negative 2 is equals to 2. So, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Then, for the last one, 4 minus, so, negative 1 times 2 is equals to negative 2. So, 4 minus negative 2, or we should say na 4 minus 2 is equals to negative 2. Ayan. So, makikita natin ulit dito, from 3x3 matrix, magiging 2x2 matrix na lang siya. After that, we can now simplify. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay i-multiply yung 12 sa 2, then yung 2 i-multiply sa 1, then isa-subtract natin sila. So, ito na yung continuation ng ating solution. So, 1, 12 times negative 2 minus negative 1 times 2 is equals to negative 24 minus negative 2. So, the answer will be negative 22. So, ito yung magiging final answer natin for this solution.
Pivotal element method, example number 2, using 4x4 matrix.
Hello there! So, for our example number 2, the instruction is find the determinant of matrix K using the pivotal element method. So, we have here a 4x4 matrix. 4x4 matrix consists of 4 columns and 4 rows. So, to start, step 1 natin is choose one element that we will be considering as our pivotal element. So, pivotal element must be equal to 1 or also what we call the unity. So, we can see this in this example na meron na tayo element or pivotal element na 1. Upon marking up our pivotal element, so we need to mark our pivotal element. So, ito yung gagamitin natin to highlight. 1. Ayan siya. So, we already marked up our pivotal element. So, the next one is we have to cross out the row where it is included. So, yung row kung saan siya included. This one. And kung saan yung column kung saan siya located. So, ayan. Thus, from a 4x4 determinant, magiging 3 na lang siya. Dahil nga ito ay hindi na magiging part ng matrix natin. Pero, pag nag-solve tayo, gagamitin natin yung mga columns and rows na omitted from our solution. Instead of completely deleting them, we can use the other colors nga. Ito yon, colors ng highlighter para malaman natin yung pivotal row and pivotal column natin. So, ito yung pivotal column natin and ito yung pivotal row. So, to start the solution, we have here negative 1 raised to second column plus third row equals, copy natin yung mga number na to, yung hindi part ng naka-highlight. Okay? Then, right after nun, from 4x4 matrix, nagiging na lang siya 3x3 once na na-write na natin. So, as we can see here, negative 1 raised to 2 plus 3. Then, from 4x4 matrix, naging 3x3 matrix na lang siya. Ang gagawin natin dito, kaya may spacing to, dahil dito tayo magsasubtract. So, minus. Anong ima-minus natin? Ima-minus natin yung product nung malapit na column and malapit na row sa ating elements. Yan. So, we can notice here na merong pattern na nabuo. So, from the first column, same sila ng row, which is 8, 8, and 8. So, second naman is 3, 3, 3, and sa third is negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. Kung magbe-base naman tayo based sa row, makikita natin na same sila ng column. Negative 1, negative 1, and negative 1. Sa second naman is 4, 4, and 4. And sila is negative 8, negative 8, and negative 8. So, next naman, ang gagawin natin ay isi-simplify natin itong 3x3 matrix natin. So, ang mangyayari naman ngayon, negative 1 raised to 5 is equal to negative 1. Again, negative 1 raised to 2 plus 3 is equals to negative 1 pa rin. Negative 1 raised to 2 plus 3 or negative 1 raised to 5 is equals to negative 1. Then, dito naman, proceed tayo sa first element. Negative 1 times 8 is equals to negative 8. Pero dahil subtraction din ito, magiging siyang plus 8. So, negative 4 plus 8 is equals to positive 4. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin sa lahat ng elements na natira. So, let's solve. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung mga sagot dito sa part na to. So, we have positive 4, negative 27, 70, 3, negative 14, 31, 4, 14, and negative 38. So, mapapansin nyo, from 4x4 matrix ngayon, 3x3 matrix na lang siya. So, to solve this 3x3 matrix, we need to copy the first and second column to the right side. So, ika-copy lang natin to. So, 4, negative 27, 70, 3, negative 14, and 31. Yan. Then, ito yung tinatawag na Leibniz method. Gagamitin natin from pivotal element method to Leibniz method dahil 3x3 lang. So, para hindi tayo malito sa part na to, i-highlight natin sila. Kung ano yung mga i-multiply natin and i-add. Okay? So, dahil tapos na tayong mag-highlight, so nakikita natin na itong naka-highlight ng color green, blue, and itong naka-highlight ng orange, ay i-multiply natin yan. Then, after natin nakuha yung sagot, i-minus naman or isa-subtract natin siya dito sa answer na makukuha natin sa orange na naka-highlight. So, let's compute. So, first, syempre, dahil medyo malalaki na yung value, kailangan natin ng calculator. So, 4 times negative 14 times negative 38. The answer is positive 2,128. So, ganun lang yung gagawin natin sa lahat ng ito. So, let me compute. So, ayan, na-compute na natin. So, meron tayong 2,128 for this part. And for the second part naman, we have 2,940. And for the last blue-green highlight, we have negative 3,348 minus the orange highlighted part. So we have negative 3,920, positive 736, and positive 3,078. So ngayon, i-compute na lang natin to get the final answer or the determinant of matrix A equals. So now, na-compute na natin yung blue-green highlight which equals to 1,720 minus itong orange highlighted part na 894. So, ang gagawin natin is i-minus na yun. 1,720 minus 894 is equals to 826. So, huwag natin kalimutan na negative. So, 826 times negative 1 is equals to negative 826. So, our final answer for this matrix K, the determinant is negative 826. Thank you!
The second topic is CHIO'S method. CHIO'S method is a method for evaluating a matrix determinant using determinant identities. Example number 1 is a 3x3 matrix. Hi guys! For today's video, ituturo ko kayo kung paano isolve ang determinant using CHIO'S method, katulad ng ganitong method. So, ituturo ko ngayon ay ang CHIO'S method. First, kunin muna natin ang 3x3 determinant ng matrix na ito. So, we got 2, 3, 1, negative 1, 4, 2, 5, negative 4, and 2. Magagamit natin yung formula na 1 is over 2a raised to n minus 2, which is yung a ay yung first number, while yung n naman ay kung anong matrix yung ginagamit. So, yung matrix na gagamitin natin dito ay ang 3x3 matrix. 3x3 or 4x4. So, let's solve na. Equals to, sulat muna natin tong formula. 1 over, yung first number ay 2. Ito yung first number niya. So, 2. Yung n naman natin is 3x3, which is 3 minus 2. Itong 3x3 na to ay gagawin natin tig to 2x2 while using yung mga first number nila. 2, negative 1. Sulat natin dito. 2 and negative 1. 3, 4. 3, 4. Next naman, 2, negative 1. Dito naman, 1 and 2. Yan yung first row and second row. So, makikita nyo dito, first row is 2, 3, 1. Yung second row naman is negative 1, 4, 2. 2, 3, tapos 1. 1, 4, and 2. So, next naman is kukunin natin yung first and third row. So, dito tayo nyan. First and third row. So, gagamitin natin is 2, 5. First and third row, which is 3 and negative 4. 2, 5. First and third row, 1 and 2. So, ang next step nyan is kunin ang determinants ng 2x2 ito. So, gagawin lang natin dyan is pag multiply, cross-multiply yung mga to, then, isa-subtract sila. For example, is equals to 4 multiplied by 2 is 8 minus 1, negative 1 multiplied by 3 is negative 3. So, magiging addition yan to 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So, 11 ang value natin dito. Next, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then, minus negative 1 multiplied by 1 is negative 1. Magiging positive ulit to. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. Dito naman sa baba, negative 4 multiplied by 2 is negative 8. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So, ito, pag-add lang yan, magiging negative 23. So, ang value natin dito is negative 23. Dito naman, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Minus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So, magiging value natin, 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So, ito yung mga final value natin, which is, isolve muna pala natin to. 1 over 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2 lang din. So, lalagay natin dito is 1/2 matrix 11. Kopyahin lang natin to, yung mga value na nakuha natin. 11, 5, negative 23, and negative 1. Katapos nyan, i-cross multiply lang natin ulit itong mga to.
11 multiply by negative 1 is negative 11 minus 23 multiply by 5 is negative 115. So, magiging positive to. Negative 11 plus 115. Yung minus natin to, magiging kasi negative and positive. So, mas malaking value ng positive. Magiging 104. Then, umumultiply natin dito. So, 1/2 na ito. Multiply by 1/2. Ang makukuha natin value ng matrix natin is 52.
Example number 2 is a 4x4 matrix.
So, next na kukunin naman natin ay 4x4 matrix. So, value natin is 1, 0, 4, and negative 2. 6 and 6, 1, 5, and 4. Negative 1, negative 3, 2, and 3. 2, negative 4, 7, and 5. So, isa-solve natin yung determinants yan using CHIO'S method. So, sulat ulit natin yung formula. 1 over n minus 2. So, sulat na natin dito. 1 over, first number natin ngayon ay 1. So, 1, tapos 4x4 yung matrix natin. 4x4. 4 minus 2. Then, kunin lang ulit natin yung first row and second row. So, 1, 0, 6, 1, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 3, 1, 0, 2, negative 4. So, kung mapapansin nyo, pag 4x4 yung kinukuha natin, magka-come up tayo sa 3x3 matrix. So, yung first row and third row naman. So, 1, 4, 6, and 5. 1, 4, negative 1, and 2. 1, 4, 2, and 7. So, lastly, first row and last row. 1, 2, negative 2 pala, sorry. 6 and 4. 1 and negative 2. Negative 1 and 3. 1, negative 2. 2 and 5. So, katulad lang ng kanina, cross multiply lang natin lahat to. Hanggang sa mag-come up tayo sa value na 1 multiply by 1 is 1, minus 0 is 1 pa rin. So, solve muna natin to. 1 over 1 raised to 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 squared is 1. So, magiging value natin dito is 1. 1 squared is 1. Ang makukuha nating 3 by 3 is 1 multiply by 1 is 1. Minus 0 is 1 pa rin. Negative 3 multiply by 1 is negative 3. Minus 0 is negative 3. And then, negative 4 multiplied by 1 is negative 4 minus 0, negative 4 pa rin. So, yun yung sinasabi kong magka-come up tayo sa 3 by 3 matrix. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 6 multiplied by 4 is 6, 12, 18, 24. 5 minus 24 is negative 21. Ay, negative 19 pala, I'm sorry. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 4 multiplied by 1 is negative 1 is negative 4. So, magiging 2 plus 4 is 6. Kasi negative multiplied by negative is positive. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 6 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 12. Multiply by negative kasi isa-subtract mo. So, magiging positive. 4 plus 12 is 16. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Negative 2 multiplied by 2 is negative 4. So, magiging positive to kasi subtract. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then, ulitin lang natin tong process na to ng 3 by 3 katulad nung kanina. So, equals. Ang value natin dito is 1. So, yung value nito ilalagay sa taas nito. And then, kukunin yung first value ulit nitong formula na to. So, yung first value natin is 1 ulit. And 3 by 3 tayo. So, 3 minus 2. And then, kunin lang ulit yung matrix nito. First row and second row, 1 multiplied by negative 19, negative 3 and 6. 1, 19, negative 4, and negative 1. So, first and third row naman, 1, 16, negative 3, 1, 1, 16, negative 4 and 9. And then, magka-come up tayo sa value na 1 over 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 raised to 1 is 1 lang din. So, 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. 19 multiplied by 3 is... Kalkin natin. 19 multiplied by 3. 57. So, magiging positive to. Magiging 57. 6 minus 57 is negative 51. And negative 1 multiplied by 1 is negative 1. 19 multiplied by 4 is 76. Negative 1 minus 76 is negative 77. And then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48. 1 minus 48. 1 minus negative 48 is 49. 9 multiplied by 1 is positive 9. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. Negative. So, magiging positive niyan. 64 plus 9 is 73. And then, i-cross multiply lang natin ulit. Kagaya ng ginawa natin dito. Magka-come up tayo sa value na negative 51 multiplied by 73 minus negative 77 multiplied by 49. So, ang value nito is 51 multiplied by 73. 3723. Negative yan. So, minus 77 multiplied by 49. 3773. So, negative yan. Magiging positive to. So, 3723 plus 3773. Pag ma-minus lang natin yan, ang magiging value ay 50. Positive 50. So, gagamitin natin to. Multiply by 1. Ang matrix natin ay magiging 50. determinants sa matrix na ito is 50.
It goes on and on and on.
Thanks for watching, guys!
I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends. Bye-bye!
Bye!
So it's gonna be forever. You already know.
That's what feel me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, is it too late?